Hi guys, as your maths teachers now, we're going to look at mathematics paper one. Okay, and see the structure and the important facts about this paper.
Yes.
So contents of the paper.
Okay, so this is a mark breakdown. Important things are there are 150 marks, and this is your mark breakdown for each section. So just take note of the sections that count a lot. So we have 25 marks for algebra, equations and inequalities, 25 for patterns and sequences, 15 for finance, growth and decay, 35, which is a lot, for functions and graphs, another 35 for differential calculus, and 15 for probability.
Yeah. So all this total 150. So the time management, remember, 150 marks for 3 hours. So what is our suggestion? We suggest that 1 minute per one mark. Okay, then you'll have enough time to be able to revisit your work. If you haven't done something correctly or you doubt, then you can do it again. So 1 minute per one mark. Just work on that. And then the skills tested here.
Okay, so you need to know the formulae for surface area and for volume. Sometimes they give it to you in questions, but a lot of the times they don't. So just know that volume is the area of the base times the height. Surface area is the area of all the sides. And also just in general, know which formula goes for which questions. So for annuities, for example, know the difference between the future value and the present value
annuity. Because they just mix the formula.
Yes.
Okay, just be able to identify, to select the relevant formula.
Yes.
Okay, now preparing to write the exam. As we said, set aside 3 hours, okay, to write the exam. And then have a blue or black pen. Pencils, erasers, long ruler, preferably long ruler, and then protractors, those things, whatever you can use. And even the highlighters, especially when coming to the paper to geometry part. So you need the highlighters. Okay, and then your scientific calculator, preferably on the computer mode or comp mode. Okay, so with the other calculators, you'll need the normal mode. Okay, so other calculators need like comp mode. So, in class preparing to write the exam.
So you need lots of paper to write your answers down, do your rough work, for example. You need a watch to actually keep track of the time. So maybe set a timer, have a little stopwatch or a wristwatch if possible. Write the exam when you're actually rested. Remember that this is something that you can prepare for. So don't do it when you're tired. Rather wait for the following morning if possible.
And we encourage that they must go to the bathroom first.
Yes, and also this is going to work in an honesty system. So put your notes away just to make sure that you're doing yourself justice when you actually write the exam.
Your cell phone's off.
Yes, no Google, no anything.
When you write the exam, read the exam instructions carefully. Okay, round off to 2 decimal places. Those things, underline them. Okay, and then start with the questions you're confident in, as we said. Okay, start with the questions that you're confident in. So break the questions down to make sure that you understand what is being asked.
Yes, just to add on to that, a lot of the times you get method marks. So even if you don't get the final answer, you might still get some marks.
Yeah. And then check your calculator mode. I just said it. Check your calculator mode.
Yes.
So especially with, coming to paper 2 trigonometry, so we need degree mode, things like that. If you're on radian or gradient, then you're going to get wrong stuff. So, that was like all about paper 1.
The walkthrough for paper 1, and we're going to see you for the one for paper 2 next.
Yeah.